If you're suffering from a sinus infection, this video is for you. First thing, take some oil. If you're suffering from acne, rosehip oil is your best option. Since I don't have any, I'm going to use coconut oil. First thing you want to do is there's a pressure point on either side of your nose. You want to put both fingers there and hold it for a few seconds. Next, you want to start at the bottom, middle part of your chin and trace all the way along the middle part of your face on either side of your nose and up in between your brows all the way up to your hairline. This is going to help loosen up all those sinuses. Do this about 9 times. Next thing you want to do is trace along your cheekbones. On the bottom part, you're going to feel the bones. You want to go right underneath those bones and trace along there with light pressure. You're going to do this 9 times. Next, you're going to go along your jawline, starting at the middle part of your chin. You want to do this as well 9 times. I'm going a bit fast for the sake of this video, but you can go a little bit slower and that'll be better. Next, put pressure in between your brows and make spaces about 3 to 4 times and just hold for a few seconds each time. Next, you want to go up, tracing along the sinuses. There's a trail up from your nose all the way up into your head, and this is where you want to rub, starting at the middle part of your brow and going up. You want to do this at least 9 times. Next, you want to start with your thumb. Put your thumbs right underneath your brow and go along the bone that's right above your eyeballs. This is going to loosen up the sinus pressure around your eyes. Next, you want to hold one side of your forehead and trace along right above your eyebrow. Go up a little bit, do the same thing across the middle part of your forehead. Then with a curvature motion going right along your hairline, you want to do this as well on the top part of your forehead. Doing the same thing on the other side, you want to hold one side, that way your skin doesn't move too much. Same thing, start in the middle and go over. It's going to help so much loosen up the sinus pressure in your forehead. Then following the curve of your hairline, you want to do this at least 5 times each. Next, we're going to loosen up the muscles around your eyeballs where there's a lot of pressure, usually a lot of buildup. You want to go in circular motions, at least in 3 areas underneath your eye, just following the natural bone structure of your face. You want to take your middle finger and just start at the middle part of your eye, in the inner corner of your eye, and go out in a curvature motion up to your temples. This is going to loosen the pressure again around your eyes where there's so much buildup, especially like in the middle part of your face. Same thing on the other side. You want to take your middle finger, starting at the inner corner of your eye, and go around. You want to do this 5 times each. Next, taking your 3 fingers, you want to do the same thing with light pressure, starting at the middle inner corner of your eye and going up and around, just following the natural bone structure of your face, just following the bone that's right in the below the socket of your eye. That's where a lot of buildup happens. You're going to feel it. Next, we're going to take like a hook. Make your finger as if it's a hook, and you're going to start at the base of your nose bridge and go out. This is going to help with all that buildup that's inside the sinuses. You want to do this on each side 5 times. Next, you want to take your fingers, and if you're pinching something, you want to grab your jawline from your chin and go out all the way up to your ears. You want to do this at least 5 to 10 times. Same thing, I'm just like loosening up the rest of my face after I've already done most of it, but I'm just going to loosen up those pressure points again. I'm going over just a little bit, just kind of right under the bone structure where just like, you know how it is when you have a sinus infection, it's just awful, and most of it is in between on your cheeks and all that. So I'm just kind of going back over that area because that's the most sensitive area as far as like sinus infection goes. And here you want to just like go over your whole face. Next, you're going to take your fingers like if they're scissors and kind of go up and slice on either side of your ear and go down your neck. This is going to cause the sinus infection to drain out of your head, which is what you want. and you want to go down and then you want to tap, and that is what's going to finish it off. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Happy healing. I hope you'll love you guys. Have a beautiful day.